It is breakfast time. Look at all these midgets. What are we eating? Got some rice and egg. You want to eat McDonald's? Dang, you tripping, boy. Ain't no McDonald's around here. Oh, dang, this girl got some healthy food. This one's got noodles and noodles. We're back for day 3 of Big Stone, guys. Yesterday was pretty successful with the popper. Today, we kicked all the boys out. We got all the ladies in the boat today. So it's gonna be their day. So we'll see if they can pull in some white bass. Trying to hit up the north side. We're just slightly north of Mallard's Point. So you guys know where that is. Catch up to these guys and then pull anchor here. Yeah, go for some rooster tails. Somebody throw in some roosters. Where? It came up? Oh, I see it. Alright, I don't know how well, right here, you guys. So these guys are just hiding in these weeds down here. They're hitting pretty low. So they're coming all the way up to hit it. Oh my gosh. Yep, this might be okay. This is like North Dakota, guys. This is combat fishing. Hey, can I just drop you guys on that beach? Oh, yours got one. Get in the boat. Come on, flip it up. All right, I gotta take it off. Cho bận nhỉ, tôi nung chơi chơi trong nó xin ơi, cho tao nung lại cỏ từ, bận nung lại ít đủ xin ơi. All right, we've been there for about 15 minutes. Toppers, or topper, what you would call it. Poppers are not working top water. So Grandpa's got a mimic on. What? Oh, and he almost hooked himself. He said he saw it right at the boat. All right, we'll see some mimic action here. He's going for a yellow mimic. Misses. What a week. Hook set. Oh, he's chasing it, Dad. Oh, that's a perch. Oh, that's a perch. Oh, shit. I missed it.
See that? I saw it like a white bass.
Yeah, go ahead. Throw it in there. Let me see that action in there.
That's what I'm using.
Don't throw it too far.
So, yeah, it's
okay.
Burn this light.
Wait, let me see it. I can't see it. Oh shit, I saw one come take it already.
There we go. Ah. Oh yeah, she got one finally.
Oh, and she can't fight it. Oh my gosh, she's got Junior's pulled.
Ah! It got caught in my leg.
Let go some rope.
Nope.
Oh shit. Yeah, I saw that one come.
Look at the walleye.
Oh, she got a walleye. Get in the boat. Oh my gosh, she's gonna drop her walleye.
Yeah.
She got a walleye. Put it down. Oh my god, these two, and they broke their lines. And Dion's on one.
Okay, now you go first. Okay. Go. Dion got it.
So, are you recording? No.
Yeah.
Oh shit, no.
D, so you gotta remember, it's always hidden right in that spot. Throw in the same spot, all right?
I got to know where Dion is.
Yeah, just throw it past it, and then reel it right directly. Okay, let it drop. Okay, it's not that deep. Now spin it in right over his spot that he's hitting.
Why do you feel it just tap, tap, tap?
Dude, your blade is probably not even spinning.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's spinning right there.
What's the baby right there?
Dude is using this mini-sized jerk bait. He's fishing so much, it makes life easier actually with only the middle hook.
Yep.
Treble left, so get on. Oh my god, look at her fight. Look at
It's a big one.
Look at how she fights this fish. And she gets a sunfish. Her first fish.
I hooked it.
She's got a ginormous one.
Got a sunfish.
Okay, put them, babe. This is pretty big though. Shit, look at that. I see if grandma's got luck. She's just gonna leave right there. Chocolate too, John. Okay. Shot. Oh, Jesus, right there. Oh, that's a good size. Oh, Punan's got one too.
Holy cow, it's big. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, she's weak. She says she needs help. Move up, dude. Lift it up. Oh my gosh, she's got a ginormous one.
It's gonna break my physical. Yeah. Oh man, Dion got the same time.
Looks like silver, the bright.
Just rip it off.
Dion,
What? What's going on?
I think.
Gotta get the flashy color, huh?
Yep.
They're deep in there. Just rip it.
I can't help it. Grandma handed it to me like this.
Y'all got it.
How do I hold it, Grandma? Hold it. Hold it.
All right, let's see.
Peter, you're gonna take a picture of me and my fish.
Okay, hold on.
Good job, Nancy.
D, your jerk is all messed up.
Come
You want a
on,
photo?
take a picture.
Okay.
Dion, it came up. Crap. Dang. What is your secret?
Throw it right where he. Oh my God! Nope, he ain't that good. King.
One triple hook. I thought it was easy.
Dude, you gotta bring it right in. He's on.
Yeah, you missed too many, man. That's like 3.
All the way out there.
It's the same white pass. It's 9.
Or third. Oh dang, he's on again.
Good.
I'm gonna lose this one. Watch.
Don't say that. You gotta keep
Second or third point.
You're
That's a good one. Good one.
on the water, dude.
Sorry.
Grandpa's got one? No? Yeah, he does.
Oh, he does.
It looks like a fish on. What's he using? Oh, he's using the yellow mimic. He's still on that. Whoa, he can't control it. Whoa, he's taking a dip.
Ooh, what the hell?
Okay, it's over.
Wanna see?
Good job, D.
Go.
Come on, come on.
Just throw it to that dark spot right there. Right in front of those leaves. Oh, don't throw it in the leaves.
Looks like nothing.
Whoop, whoop.
That's a
Yeah.
perch. Perch.
So what's going on, kid?
Resting
Resting? Why?
because the back hurts.
Oh,
Back hurts from too much fish.
Too much fish. My hands hurt from hooking so much.
Hooking. Sure about that?